Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button from the right with straighten. This is our leveler here. By just one tap we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now this is turned on, so let's stay on this. And in the camera preview we can see this line. This is helpful when we want to, for example, keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. As you can see, this is how to use this, and when this line is yellow, not white, it suggests us that now we have straight our device. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily tap on the right corner once again and use this button to turn it off. So for now, the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.